Hi and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be spotting dodgy or distracted drivers, and when driving it's not about just looking ahead, it's about looking around and being aware of surroundings. Here we can see the van on our right here. You see the lights are clearly on red. Watch how he accelerates all the way to the lights and reacts later. Nearly went through them. So to me that tells me that he's not really paying attention to what he's doing, which means everything around him he doesn't really know that's there. Now up ahead we're going to have to get into the right hand lane because we're going to be following the road ahead at the roundabout. I slip in quite close to this van here because he wasn't really making progress. You can see the car behind flashes in. Just creating that gap again. So he's going into the right lane, which tells me he's going right, potentially. Now it's this bit now, watch how close he gets to the centre line. There, see that? Distracted, he's not paying attention. So I had to hold back a little bit. Hope this helps. Bye for now.